Hi friends, today we will play with Insertion Sort. We will see how it works and what is the exact technology or technique behind it. Okay, so here is my Insertion Sort code and here is my unsorted array. I'll use this line of code to sort my unsorted array. Okay, then let's start. Okay, this is the first line of code for this insertion sort. id temp is equal to 0 and means you are taking a temporary variable. So I have a temporary variable here. Okay, it is exactly 0, means there is nothing here. Okay, now I will start this for loop. Okay, here we are taking a integer variable that is j and the value will be 1. Actually this for loop will iterate the whole array. So this j is equal to 1, nothing but the j taking the index value 1. So we can make like this. Now j is the pointer to the value 1 in the array. Okay, so next line of code is I is equal to j minus 1. So again we are taking another variable that is named as I, and whose value is j minus 1. So j is 1, j minus 1 is equal to 0. So I value is 0, that means it pointing to the index 0. Okay, then come to this line of code. This is temp is equal to a of j. That means temp is holding the value at j. J is pointing to index 1 and which holds the value 40. So we have to execute this line of code, that is temp is equal to 40. So temp will hold the 40. Then come to this line of code. What is telling? Here we are going to execute a while loop. That is condition. Two conditions are there. One condition is I should be greater than minus 1. Yes, I is greater than minus 1 because I pointing to 0. And a of I greater than temp. A of I, yeah, a of I means it is pointed to value 15. It is greater than temp. Temp value is 40. Here 40. So it is greater than temp. No, it is not greater than temp. So it will not execute this while loop. Okay. Then it will come to here. Okay. See what is the statement is telling. The statement is telling like if I plus 1 is equal to temp. If I plus 1, I is pointed to 0. And we are adding plus 1 to our that I index, that becomes 1. Then f1 is equal to temp. So temp value is 40. Then you are adding value what index 1, that will be like this. Then the line of code, this line will execute this bracket, that means telling this for loop is completed, means one iteration is completed from this for loop. Then again go for the second iteration, then j plus 1 be j was 1, then it will j was 1, then it will be 2, then 2 will greater than n, n is greater than 2, yes, n is greater than 2. So first we'll move 2 equal to here, and the length of the array is greater than 2. then you are doing, then you will execute this line of code, still in same thing. I is equal to j minus 1. So again I is equal to j minus 1. See, j is equal to and minus 1 will be 1. Then I will point to the this index. Great. Then temp is equal to fj. Okay. Then fj is 2. So fj is 10, which will move and will temp will hold the 10. Okay. So this line of execute done. Then we'll execute this line of code. This for executing this line of code, this is while loop condition. Now our I is 1. We compare it to minus 1. Yeah, 1 is greater than minus 1. This part is success. Then if I greater than 10, if I is 40. Yeah, it is greater than 10. So you are going inside this while loop. And what you are doing, if I plus 1 is equal to if I plus 1, 1 plus 1, again 2. Then if I plus 1, then if I plus 1, nothing but f2 is equal to fi. Fi is 40, so it will come here. Then this line of code will execute. That's I minus minus. Okay, I minus minus. Then again this while loop again will execute. Again we will check this condition. I is 0, greater than minus 1, yes, greater than minus 1. If I greater than temp, if I is equal to 15, 10 is temp is 10. Yeah, 15 is greater than 10. So it will execute this line of code. If I plus 1 is equal to fi. If I plus 1, I is equal to 0, plus 1 is equal. Then it will be like this. Correct. Then I will execute here. Then I minus minus. Okay. And again it will come to here while loop. Okay. So we'll check. I greater than minus 1? No, because I is minus 1 actually. Not greater than it. Minus 1 is not greater than minus 1. So this condition is fail. Okay. So this is the AND operation. So 1 is fail means the whole condition will be fail. So it will not go inside this while loop. So it will come to here. Okay. So if I plus 1 is equal to temp. See, I value is minus 1. Okay. I value is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So at the index of 0, we have to insert value temp. Temp is 10. So we'll insert here. Clear? Now you are out of the for loop. Then again we start from again here. Now the j value will be you are increment the j here, and the j value should be less than length of the array. This is the length of the array. Yes, it is less than the length of the array. Then again we are creating new variable I. That value should be j minus 1. Then j minus 1. I is pointed to j minus 1. Great. Then this line of code execute. Temp is equal to fj. Then it should be hold to temp. Okay. Then while loop will come. I greater than minus 1. Yes, I greater than minus 1. If I greater than temp. If I is 40. Greater than temp? No. Then this while loop will not execute. Then this line of code will execute. If I plus 1 is equal to temp. If I plus 1. That means I is 2 plus 1 is 3. It will be here only. Clear? Then while loop done. You will start from here. Now this time j will increment to 40. Sorry, given to 4, and the 4 is, and this 4 is less than length of the array. This is the length of the array. Yeah, it is less than length of the array. So we will come inside this for loop. Okay, again we are reassigning the I is equal to j minus 1. Then I will point to index 3. Then we will do same thing again. Temp is equal to fj. Okay, done. This one done. We'll come to here. Then we are checking the while loop condition. I greater than minus 1. Yes, I greater than minus 1. If I greater than temp. If I get temp is here. If I is here. Yes, it is greater than temp. So we will come inside this while loop. We'll execute this code. If I plus 1 is equal to fi. If I plus 1 is equal to fi. So it will come here. Then I minus minus. Again while loop. Come here. If I greater than 1. Yes, if greater than, if I greater than temp. Yes, I greater than temp. Then this line of code execute. Will come here. Then minus, this will come here. Then minus minus. Then again while loop start. Same thing. I greater than minus 1. I greater than minus 1. If I greater than temp. If I greater than temp. No, if I not greater than temp. Because if I is 15, temp is 20. Okay, obviously 15 is not greater than 20. So this loop will not execute. This while loop will not execute this time. So we'll come to this line of code here. If I plus 1 is equal to temp. So I is pointed to 1, plus 1 is 2. Then assign temp. Then it will be here. Clear? Now this for loop will be n. Then we'll come again here. J will be increase. Okay, j plus plus. Then we'll check this condition. With length of the array greater than value of j pointed to 5, and the length of the array is 6. Yes, it is great. Length of the array is greater than value of j. Then you will come inside the for loop. Again you are reassigning the I value which is j minus. Okay, yeah. Now this line of code will execute. Temp is equal to fj. Okay, then f is 30. We will put here. We will keep in temp. Then the while loop will start to execute. Okay, I greater than minus 1. Yeah, obviously I greater than minus 1. If I, that means this 50 greater than temp. Temp is 30. Yes, 50 is greater than 30. So it will come inside this while loop. If I plus 1 is equal to fi. If I plus 1 is equal to fi. See, I is 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. F5 will be Fi. I is 4. So F5 is equal to F4. It will be like this. Then this line of code will execute, that is minus minus. Great. Then this line of code again, while loop again will execute. I greater than minus 1. Yeah, I is 3. It is obviously greater than minus 1. And Fi is 40. Greater than temp. Temp is 30. Yes, 40 is greater than 30. Then this line of code will execute. Fi plus 1 is equal to Fi. Fi plus 1 means I is 3. This is plus 1 4. F4 is equal to Fi. I is 3. Okay, so this line of code will do like this. Okay, then this line of code minus minus. Clear? Then again while loop will execute. I is greater than minus 1. Of course I is greater than minus 1. I is 2, so it will be obviously greater than minus 1. Here second condition check. If I greater than temp, if I is 20, temp value is 30. No, 20 is not greater than 30. So this for loop will not execute. So it will come out of that. This whole line of code will execute here. So see, I is 2 plus 1 means 3. If I plus 1 means f3 is equal to temp. So it will be like this. Okay, now for loop. Now my I value will be increment to 6. The length of array is 6, which is not greater than the value of j. So this for loop will be end. Okay, now you will see here our array is already sorted, and this is how insertion sort works.